Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we take a deep dive into the latest and greatest in home cleaning technology. Today, we're checking out the Dreame H12 PRO wet-dry vacuum mop. It promises to simplify your cleaning routine by vacuuming and mopping at the same time, all while offering features like auto self-cleaning, edge-to-edge cleaning, and a smart mess detection system. Let's see how well it performs in real-world conditions. The Dreame H12 PRO is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop designed specifically for hard floors. It combines powerful suction with the ability to mop simultaneously, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to cut down on cleaning time while getting a deep clean. The H12 PRO features hot air drying technology, allowing the brush to dry automatically after use, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. This vacuum mop has an edge-to-edge cleaning system that targets those hard-to-reach corners and baseboards, ensuring you don't miss a spot. It's equipped with a 900 milliliter clean water tank, and the battery provides up to 35 minutes of cleaning time, which is quite impressive for a device of this nature. Now, let's talk about performance. The H12 PRO offers 35 minutes of runtime, thanks to its powerful 6x1000 mAh battery. That's enough to clean a sizable 2,150 feet square area in one go. This is a huge plus for larger homes or spaces with a lot of floor area to cover. On top of that, the 900 milliliter clean water tank means fewer refills during your cleaning session. For those of you with big rooms, this is a real time saver. One standout feature of this model is the smart mess detection. With its sophisticated sensor, the H12 PRO adjusts its suction power based on the mess it detects. So, if you're dealing with a heavier spill or dirtier area, the vacuum automatically boosts its suction to tackle the mess. If you're cleaning something lighter, it reduces power, saving both battery life and reducing noise. This level of intelligence is great for those who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach to cleaning. Another impressive feature is the auto self-cleaning function. Once you're done with your cleaning session, just place the Dreame H12 PRO in its station, press the button, and the vacuum mop begins its self-cleaning process. In about an hour, the brush is dried using hot air, ready for the next round of messes. This feature is particularly useful for anyone who dreads the post-cleaning cleanup of their mop. Let's talk about usability. The H12 PRO features an enhanced dual-edged cleaning brush designed to get into those tricky areas near baseboards and deep corners. This is a game changer when it comes to achieving edge-to-edge cleaning, which most vacuums and mops struggle with. The vacuum's design also makes it relatively easy to maneuver, especially when moving between different rooms or around furniture. However, no product is without its downsides. While the H12 PRO does an excellent job at cleaning most messes, it might not be ideal for homes with extensive carpeted areas. Since it's specifically designed for hard floors, you won't get the same cleaning depth on carpets as you would with a dedicated carpet vacuum. If you have a lot of rugs or plush carpets, this may not be the perfect choice for you. The noise level is something worth noting. While it's not as loud as traditional upright vacuums, you'll still notice the hum of the motor during use. Fortunately, the smart mess detection feature helps reduce unnecessary noise when the vacuum is working on lighter messes, making it more tolerable during quieter times of the day. Now let's dig into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Dreame H12 PRO is incredibly efficient at cleaning hard floors, and its dual function of vacuuming and mopping saves time. The edge-to-edge cleaning and smart sensor features are big wins, and the self-cleaning brush is a huge convenience. The long battery life, combined with the large water tank, means you won't have to worry about frequent recharges or refills during cleaning sessions. Plus, the hot air drying function ensures the brush is always ready for the next use, making maintenance much easier. On the flip side, the vacuum does struggle a bit with deep carpet cleaning. It's not the best option for homes with a lot of plush carpet or thick rugs. Additionally, some users might find the noise level a bit high, especially if you're used to quieter cordless models. The design is also a little bulkier than some other models on the market, which might be an issue if you have limited storage space. In terms of value for money, The Dreame H12 PRO offers a great deal if you primarily need a vacuum for hard floors. Its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously, coupled with its long runtime, makes it a solid investment for larger homes. However, if you're looking for a vacuum that can handle a range of surfaces, including deep carpet cleaning, you may want to explore other options. It's also worth noting that while the self-cleaning function is a huge convenience, it may not be as essential for everyone, depending on how often you clean. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few vacuum mops that might interest you. For instance, the Bissell Crosswave is another wet-dry vacuum mop that also offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping. While it doesn't have the same self-cleaning brush feature, it is a solid choice for those with smaller spaces or fewer deep cleaning needs. On the higher end, the Roborock H7 combines powerful suction with smart mapping features, offering a more comprehensive cleaning experience, especially for those who also need robotic features. As for build quality, the Dreame H12 PRO feels solid in hand. The plastics are sturdy, and the brush roller system is well designed to minimize hair tangling. The assembly process is straightforward, and maintenance, like cleaning the filter or emptying the waste tank, is fairly simple. The self-cleaning function takes a lot of the work out of maintaining the brush roll, making this vacuum mop a low-maintenance option overall. When it comes to customer support, Dreame generally has a good reputation, though I haven't had direct interaction with their support team. The vacuum does come with a standard warranty, which should cover any major issues, but be sure to check the specifics of their warranty before purchasing to ensure peace of mind. To sum it up, the Dreame H12 PRO wet-dry vacuum mop is a strong contender in the vacuum mop category. It's perfect for anyone with hard floors who wants to cut down on cleaning time, and the smart features make it easy to use. If you're mainly dealing with hardwood or tile floors, this vacuum mop is a solid option that combines convenience with performance. Just keep in mind that if you need something for carpets, this might not be the best fit. It's a great tool for homes where you need to mop and vacuum in one go, and its long battery life and self-cleaning brush set it apart from many other models. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Dreame H12 PRO, or if you already own one, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Reviewsinsidetv. Until next time, happy cleaning, and remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore when you've got the right tools.